because ultimately, no matter what either sides of the community benches say or they declare, the dispute will only be settled. And right now, the Gyanvapi Mosque is under dispute in terms of a petition, will only be settled in the purview of the law and not on the basis of faith or surround sound. A Sessions Court has entertained the plea. I'll hark our viewers back on what the plea is about. 5 women, and I'll bring in our senior executive editor to quickly apprise our viewers on what exactly is the plea of these 5 women petitioners, why they want access inside the Gyanvapi Mosque. Gaurav, over to you, then we cut into a break.
So, Preeti, the 5 petitioners want unhindered access to pray at the Shringar Gauri Sthal. They've also contended that, there is a idol of Lord Hanuman there, there is an idol of Ganeshi there, there is Nandi, the bull, the ride of Lord Shiva. They want to pray as their ancestors have historically. Their contention is it has to be unhindered. So far it's permitted on some days, not permitted on others. Which of course then led to the issue of videography and of course the contention that always has been, as you and I have reported extensively from Kashi earlier, that the temple was demolished and a mosque created on top of a temple, a symbol, as some argue, of oppression. And should those symbols of oppression remain in today's day and age, or should there be truth and reconciliation? So then it remains for the court to take a call on what should the next course of action be, or whether something like this can be also settled amicably with all parties coming together, all stakeholders coming together and moving forward. And especially when the conversation was about Ayodhya, Kashi and Mathura. So can there be, again, cradles of faith, of belief, Ayodhya, the birthplace of Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram, Mathura, the birthplace of Yogeshwar Sri Krishna, and of course the Kashi Vishwanath temple, as you very rightly pointed out, not just one of the 12 Jyotirlings, but one of the most auspicious sites of, Rameshwar, Bhagwan Shiv and Mata Parvati. So it remains to be seen what the next course of action is and whether there can be an amicable, movement forward. Does it lead to more confrontation, or does it lead to an amicable, if every Indian puts his shoulder to the wheel, there could well be an amicable solution. After all, communal harmony is a two-way street, Preeti.